Hi guys, and welcome to my first video tutorial with sound. Woohoo! So we're going to be making a stack of miniature kawaii donuts. I've got some Saracino modelling paste coloured with Autumn Leaf by Sugar Flare. I'm just pushing a ball tool into the centre of the paste and then using another ball tool just to push away the excess and smooth it down with my fingers. I'm going to push my finger gently through the centre of the hole just to widen and round the hole, and then I'm going to use my fingers again just to smooth and round the outside of that edge. This is Saracino dark green modelling paste mixed with white to make a really cute mint colour. Just kind of pinching and teasing out the edges to make a dollop shape. That's the official term for it. Just keep going until you've got the paste nice and thin and it's just wider than the top of your donut. Then lay it over the top. You don't need to use glue because Saracino should stick to itself. Then I'm just going to gently stretch the paste down with my fingertips. Next, I'm going to push a ball tool really slowly down into the centre. The aim is not to rip the paste, so I'm just trying to feed it down slowly until it gets to the bottom, and then push a ball tool through just to push through the hole and then neaten up that edge. Next, we're going to do the face. I'm just using the PME Dresden tool and pushing that into the paste and then rocking up and down just to open up the little mouth. Then I'm going to use a ball tool just to deepen and reshape the mouth. I'm deepening it so that when I put the black paste in later, it's sitting below the surface rather than flush or above. Then I'm using a small ball tool just to mark in the eyes. The reason I've gone in with the small ball tool first and then using a larger one is just in case I make a mistake, I can kind of alter it later when I push the larger one in. Then I'm using the small ball tool again just to mark in the cheeks, filling the eyes with two small balls of white Saracino modelling paste, which is sticking to me rather than the paste. And then I'm pushing the ball tool into the inner corners of the eyes for where I'm going to sit the pupils. Next up is the cheeks, so you just want some pale pink modelling paste rolled into a little ovoid, and I'm just going to stick that into the little wells created on the cheeks. And then shape a piece of black modelling paste roughly to the size of the mouth and then pop that in. And then you're going to use the Dresden tool just to push that into the back of the mouth. Next up is the tongue, so that's another small piece of pink modelling paste, kind of in a rice grain shape, and I'm going to glue that, if it stops sticking to me, into the mouth, and then use the Dresden tool again just to kind of press that in, so to keep its tongue shape, and then use the pointed end of the Dresden tool just to add the little crease in the centre of the tongue. Next is the eyes, so you want two small balls of black modelling paste, roughly the same size as the ball you used to create the little well in the first place. Push them with your fingers and then place two tiny balls of white modelling paste just into the upper outside corners for the highlights. Create a further two donuts using the same technique and then stack them together using a cocktail stick. You can find my work on Instagram under hello_yellowbee.